Welcome students. In this video I will explain you some basic concepts of algebra. So what is an algebra? Algebra is generalized arithmetic in which numbers are represented by letters known as literal numbers or simply literals. Students, in algebra numbers are represented by letters as like x, y, z, and these numbers are called literal numbers or literals. For example, the sum of a literal x and a number 5 is x plus 5. In algebra, symbols are mainly represented in two forms. First is constant, a symbol having a fixed numerical value. A symbol having a fixed numerical value. For example, 5, minus 5, 25 and so on. Constant आपके वे होते हैं जिनकी वैल्यू क्या होती है, फिक्स होती है, as like 1, 3, 5, minus 5, 25 and so on. And next type of symbol is variable. A symbol which takes on various numerical values. वेरिएबल वे होते हैं जो क्या करते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप की न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, एज लाइक x, y, z एंड सो ऑन. इन डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 1, 2, 3, 0, -1 एंड सो ऑन. वी टेक एनी फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू, डेसिमल वैल्यू और इंटीजर वैल्यू. Next is, what is an algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables connected by any one or more of the symbols addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Students, in algebraic expression we take a combination of variables and constant. किसी भी algebraic expression में हमें constants और variables का क्या लेना होता है, combination लेना होता है, और उसमें हम basic arithmetic operation addition, subtraction, multiplication and division use करते हैं. For example, 3x plus 5y minus 2xyz. Here x, y and z are the variables and 3, 5 minus 2 are the constant, and here we use two basic operation, one is plus and another is minus. Next is terms. The several parts of the expression separated by the sign plus or minus. किसी भी expression का जो भी आप parts यूज करते हैं जो डिफरेंशिएट होता है प्लस और माइनस से, वो आपका टर्म्स होता है. ये आपका अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है, इसमें वन साइन प्लस है, अनदर इज माइनस, तो यहाँ पे टोटल टर्म्स 3 है. दिस इज वन टर्म इज 3x, अनदर इज 5y एंड लास्ट इज 2xyz, और उसे माइनस 2xyz. You always take negative sign. So this expression divided into several parts with the help of sign. One is plus and another is minus. So we have 3 terms here. Another is 5x square minus 6x cube y plus 8x y cube z minus 9 has 4 terms. First term is 5x square. Next is minus 6x cube y. Next is plus 8xy cube z, and last is minus 9. Next is types of terms. First is monomals, an expression which contains only one term. ऐसे expression जिसमें only वन टर्म अवेलेबल होगा तो वो आपके क्या होता है, मोनोमल्स होते हैं. मोनो माने वन, अमल्स माने टर्म. ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें क्या होते हैं, वन टर्म होती है. फॉर एग्जांपल 3x, another is 5x y square, another is minus 2abc, next is minus 8 and so on. Students, in monomers contain only one positive और नेगेटिव साइन. मोनोमर में केवल एक टाइप का आपका ऑपरेशन होगा, वन आइदर इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. बायनोमल्स एन एक्सप्रेशन कंटेनिंग टू टर्म्स. ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन जिनमें आपकी टू टर्म्स होती है वो आपके क्या होते हैं, बायनोमल्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 6 minus y, it contains two terms, one is 6 another is minus y. Second is 2x plus 3y, it contains two terms, one is 2x and another is 3y. Next is trinomals. Tri माने 3, nomals माने terms. ऐसे एक्सप्रेशंस जिसमें कितने टर्म्स होगी, आपकी 3 टर्म्स होगी, वो आपके क्या होंगे, ट्राइनोमल्स होंगे. एन एक्सप्रेशन कंटेनिंग 3 टर्म्स. फॉर एग्जांपल 2 plus x minus y. Here expression contains 3 terms, one is 2, another is plus x and another is minus y. Next is a plus b plus c, it contains 3 terms, one is a, another is b, another is c and so on. For these quadrinomals, quad means 4, nomals means terms. An expression containing 4 terms. ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन जिनमें 4 टर्म्स होते हैं उनको कार्डिनोमल्स बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर प्लस z स्क्वायर माइनस xyz. हियर वी हैव 4 टर्म्स, वन इज x स्क्वायर, another is y square, another is z square and last is minus xyz. Another example is x cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz. It contains 4 terms, one is x cube, another is y cube, another is z cube and last is 3xyz. Last is polynomials. Poly माने many and nomals माने terms. ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें many terms होगी. So an expression containing 2 or more terms. Now factors. When 2 or more numbers and literals are multiplied, then each one of them is called a factor of the product. If you have been given that an algebraic expression, so we represent each and every term in the form of product of factor. A constant factor is called a numerical factor, while a literal one is known as literal factor. Students, आपको एक एक्सप्रेशन गिवन होगा और एक्सप्रेशन में आपको टर्म्स गिवन होगी. टर्म्स को आप फैक्टर्स की फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं और फैक्टर्स में आपके मेनली 2 टाइप्स के फैक्टर होंगे. वन इज लिटरल फैक्टर, वन इज literal factor that represent the letters x, y, z and another is numerical factor or you say constant factor as like 1, 2, 3, minus 5 and so on. For example, in 5x square y, it's a term and we represent in the form of products of factor. It's 5 multiply x square multiply y. Here 5, which is a constant factor or you say numerical factor, and x square and y both are literal one and you say it's a literal factor. 5 as the numerical factor, whereas x square and y are the literal factors. Next is coefficients. In a product of numbers and literals, any of the factors is called the coefficient of the product of other factors. For example, in minus 7xy square, the coefficient of x is coefficient of x is, what is remaining here? One is numerical factor, it's -7, and literal factor, it's y square. So coefficient of x is -7y square, and the coefficient of y square, is -7x. In coefficient of any number, or you say any literals, we write the remaining product, numerical factor and literal factors, as like in -7xy square we find out coefficient of y square. So we write here numerical factor -7 and literal factor is x. Next is constant term. A term of the expression having no literal factor is called a constant term. ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें आपको कोई टर्म ऐसा गिवन है जिसमें आपको क्या नहीं गिवन है, लिटरल फैक्टर गिवन नहीं है, इट मींस एक्स वाई जेड गिवन नहीं है, तो आपका क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट टर्म होगा. एज लाइक 3 प्लस एक्स. 3 प्लस एक्स एक आपका अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है, बट 3 प्लस एक्स में एक्स एक टर्म हो गया और +3 अनदर टर्म हो गया, तो +3 आपका क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट टर्म होगा, बिकॉज इट डज नॉट कंटेन एनी लिटरल फैक्टर. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन द एक्सप्रेशन x square plus y square minus 4/5, the constant term is -4/5 because it does not contain any literal factor. Next topic is like terms. The terms having the same literal factors are called like or similar terms. Literal factors. Terms containing same or like literal factors you call like terms or similar terms. For example, 3y square. Another is -5y square. Another is 80y square are the like or similar terms. Why? Because it contains same literal factors y square. Another is unlike terms. The terms not having these same literal factors are called unlike or dissimilar terms. Unlike terms contains different literal factors. For example, 5xy square and another is 5xy square. Both terms contain non-similar or you say dissimilar literal factors. One is x square y and another is xy square. So both are unlike terms. I explain you with the help of one question. Question is 6x square y plus 5xy square minus 8xy minus 7yx square. Here check all the literal factors. This term contains x square y. This term contains xy square as a literal factor xy, and last is yx square. Students, in terms x square y and yx square both are same because we represent this as a form of product of factors. It's x square y and also this represent x square into y. So here last term is 6x square y and minus 7yx square, and unlike terms are, one is 5x y square and another is minus 8xy. Next is finding the value of an algebraic expression. Students, in this type of questions you have given an algebraic expression and you also have given the value of variables. Here x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2 and z equal to 3. So by putting here x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2 and z is equal to 3. So we write here 1 की power 3 plus minus 2 की power 3 plus 3 की power 3 minus 3 multiply x is 1, y is minus 2 and z is 3. 1 cube is 1, minus 2 cube, it's minus 8 and 3 cube is 27. Minus plus 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Firstly, by adding the positive digits, one is 1, 27 and 18. What we have? 27 plus 1 is 28 plus 18 it's 46 minus 8. And after the subtraction of 46 and 8, which is equal to 38.